In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Facebook lead ads with HubSpot quickly and efficiently. This process is a fantastic way to keep your marketing efforts streamlined and ensures that your leads are seamlessly integrated into your CRM. Let's dive right into it. First things first, we'll need to connect your Facebook ad account directly to HubSpot. To get started, head over to your HubSpot dashboard. Once you're there, navigate to the Settings section. Within Settings, look for the Marketing category and click on Ads. This is where you can manage and connect your ad accounts. In the Ad Accounts tab, you'll see an option that says Connect Account. Click on that and then select Facebook from the list of platforms available. Now, you'll be asked to log into your Facebook Business Manager. As you do this, make sure you grant all the necessary permissions. These include being an ad account admin, a page admin, and having leads access. These permissions are crucial as they allow HubSpot to communicate properly with your Facebook account and import leads accurately. Once your Facebook ad account is connected, the next step is to enable lead synchronization on your Facebook page. While still in HubSpot's Settings, under Marketing and then Ads, switch over to the Lead Syncing tab. Here, you'll find a list of your Facebook pages. Carefully check the box next to each page that you want to sync with HubSpot. Now, decide how you want the sync to be set up. You can choose to bring in only new leads that come in from this point forward. Alternatively, if you wish to capture more data, you can select the option for New and Recent Leads, which will incorporate leads acquired up to the last 90 days. Once you've made your selection, don't forget to hit the Save button to confirm this setting. After completing these steps, HubSpot takes care of the rest. It will import all lead ad forms from your selected Facebook page as form submissions automatically. Each form field, including any custom fields and consent checkboxes that you may have added to your forms, will be mapped to HubSpot contact properties. This means you won't have to manually match or configure these, as it all happens seamlessly in the background. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully synced your Facebook lead ads with HubSpot. This connection not only saves you a lot of time, but also ensures your leads are right where you need them to be. Now, you can focus on nurturing these leads and converting them into loyal customers without worrying about the data transfer process. Thank you for watching, and happy marketing.